Bienvenidos. Ah, cuchillos. Muchos.
Taxi por acá, taxi, hay taxi por acá, taxi.
You seen the white boy and he's like, taxi, taxi, taxi.
White people can
Walk?
walk.
No.
Maybe we can go like this first, like doing this.
Vamos. Perrito.
You can find different.
Smells so good.
That's yuca. Have you
Oh,
tried?
yeah. I think so.
You want
Mango.
You want some mango? If you
No,
want
I don't know. It's all good.
But I can take it home?
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe.
Do you tell me?
Okay. Ugh. No quiero.
Look.
¿Qué pasa?
¿Qué fruta es esta?
Verdura.
Ah, ¿qué
¿Qué?
es? Ah, no sé qué. Gracias.
¿Boliviano?
No sé, pero era muy
Creo que sí. Creo que es de Bolivia, Perú.
He wasn't nice at all.
No, nice. Oh, hola. Ay, gatito. Cat just sitting there. ¿Cuánto por gato? ¿Cuánto? ¿Es muy rico por comer?
¿Cuántos kilos?
¿Cuántos
How
kilos?
much?
No mucho. Ah, good. Black corn. Morena. Chocolate moreno.
Sí, that's the one that you make.
Wow.
Chicha morada.
Yeah. Muchos papas también. Like, lots of potatoes. Loads of potatoes.
500 pesos.
Tía, ¿usted tiene la...?
¿Cómo es nombre? It's got like a little orange
Yeah,
fruit.
it's all like an orange.
Yeah. We put them on top of desserts.
Yeah.
Like a cheesecake. Well, but there's dragon fruit.
Yeah, that's dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit, yeah. Cool.
Rocoto. You want one?
Oh, baby.
You want some?
Maybe. Maybe we can get them soon pronto. There's ají amarillo también.
Yeah.
Ahí got a picture though.
You want some?
Maybe pronto. We can get them soon.
Ah, okay.
I think I full. Amarillo.
I do have money, so it's okay.
Ají amarillo. Rocoto. Sí. My friend Brad loves chilies por cocina.
Really?
Yeah, he likes. Chocolate granos.
Oh, qué rico.
Claro. Tortillas.
Toma de presión.
Chumpies. Look.
I think it's like the third time that I come here.
Siempre?
No, the third.
Ever?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember I told you that I like this kinds of grapes? These
Yeah,
are the
like
ones.
con pepper, pipa.
No, that
See?
doesn't have any seeds.
Like without seeds.
No.
Like grande. Very big. Oh yeah, I remember these. They grow in Bolivia. You take them off the cactus.
Yeah, se
Yeah.
llaman tunas acá.
Yeah, but in English they're called like, I can't remember her name in English. Yeah, like tunas.
Artichokes, heart. Do you like that?
I don't know.
I'm gonna
Oh
get
my
one.
god, look at the size of those cabbages. Jesus. That's bigger than my head. Holy shit.
El repollo. These are nice.
¿Te quieres?
Yeah, I'm going to buy one.
Or para qué?
I love them.
Like just
It's like the inside part of this.
like for soup or something?
No, just to eating with lemon.
Comer?
Ya está, se cocinan así nomás con agua y...
Hola, petilla.
Vamos allá en un año.
Hola, salga, pila. Hola. ¿Algo más?
Hay un elaboradito de tela.
Ah, ya. Súper. Muchas gracias.
Ok.
No quiero pagar
What
aquí.
is this?
£2.
Ah.
150. Son corazones de cachapa.
Sauce.
¿No sabes si por acá venden lúcuma?
En esta fecha no. Solamente podrías encontrar congelado.
Ah, ya. ¿Y esta tiene congelada?
So colourful. All the fruits, vegetables.
Ya. Va. Gracias. Chao, que estén bien. Vamos. I was asking her if where I can find lucuma, so you can try it.
Yes. What is?
Lucuma, the fruit that you showed me yesterday. The one
Oh,
from
the ice cream.
yeah.
Ah, okay.
And
Yeah.
she said we only have them frozen because of the time.
Time of year.
Yeah, but it's like seven
Tomatoes,
pounds
candies.
the kilo.
Caro.
So, yeah, it's super caro.
It's so expensive.
So I'm just going to take 1 kilo.
Yeah,
Just to
obviously,
try
yeah, it's crazy. Wow. So colourful.
Yeah.
All the fruits.
Look at the tomatoes there.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
Tomato is my favorite fruit.
Because you're Italian. Look at the apples. So
Tomatoes from Chile, from South America.
yeah. Well, Mesoamerica.
Well, tomato.
Tomato, tomate.
Tomato.
Queso. Quesería.
¿Qué sería? ¿Qué sería? What would you what?
Cheesemonger.
Cheese mango?
In English?
Ah,
That's cheesemonger in English, yeah. My God, man, they look so shiny.
yeah.
Why, it's
Yeah,
crazy.
It's moscatel. It's the kind of
Because you use them to make like muscat,
wine.
you know,
Yeah.
wine.
Would you like to try it? You want me to buy some? for
No,
you?
it's okay. It's okay. Just look amazing, like real kiwis. It's like twins.
Yeah.
Yeah, everyone's good, man.
There's some places to eat if you want to try something.
See?
You
We can
let's go there.
walk and then go back, double back.
Okay.
Yeah. Uva. ¿Qué es esto? ¿Qué es esto aquí?
Pepino. Pepino. dulce.
Pepino?
Yeah. Because that's pepino too. The one. This one. How you call this?
Courgette.
No, that's
No?
courgette.
Cucumber.
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 Yeah.
It's otro. It's different.
Yeah, but we have the same name. Is that
That's-
sweet pepino? And this is the regular pepino.
I've not seen that one before.
Do you want me to buy you one? So
No,
you
no,
can
no. It's
try?
okay. It's okay. Yeah, maybe. We'll look first, then we can come
Okay.
back.
Okay.
We can look. Grandes. Fucking.
I like when they sell like all this. It's
Like
ready to put it on
soup.
the soup.
Soup pack.
Look, it's to make a Palestinian dish. Tiny.
Oh my God.
I think it's a kind of pumpkin.
Jesus.
That's the pickled onion that I told you. So I can have it.
Oh, it's in the red wine.
Yeah,
Red
I
wine.
love it with bread and some salt. Oh,
Yeah. Red wine vinegar.
I love red wine vinegar. Look at the carrot.
Choclos.
Look at that cat how it's sleeping. Like, you know, I always wanted to come here to buy things from you, but
Yeah.
por acá una foto.
I need to. Have you tried chirimoya?
Dice no foto. Venga, no foto.
Ah, yeah.
Sí.
Have you tried this before?
Creo que no.
This is really good.
Paltas María.
Oh, that tomato looks amazing. I'm gonna take a couple.
¿Sí? Oh my god, they're huge. Yeah, yeah. Muy grandes, ¿no?
Quiero tomate por.
¿Cuánto quieres?
Voy a comprar como 3.
Dime.
3.
Huge, man. ¿Huele rico?
These ones are for a place from a place that's near here, but like 2 hours away.
Sí.
They're like a town. They produce. Yeah. They produce only tomatoes. Okay, if you want. You have a bag to closer? But you don't need to.
I can. I can.
Yes.
They are not. ¿Listo? Limón. Limón, limón.
What was the name? Ah, no, mandarina, not the other one that you said. The
I don't know the name in Spanish, but it's Sharon fruit in English.
Sharon.
Sharon fruit. I don't know why.
Here is kaki or mankaki.
Yeah. I know it's a different name. Muy diferente.
Where are you?
Tomates.
Tomatito. Do you see the difference? Those are
Grande.
okay.
Avocado has.
Yeah.
I can smell fresh. ¿Acá? Cosas.
And berry.
Yeah. Rica chicha. Chicha. ¿Te gusta?
I'm gonna try it.
¿Nunca? ¿Con alcohol? Chicha
yeah,
fermentado.
Chilean chicha, try it. I don't know if that's the one that we drink.
Yeah, it's like sin alcohol.
Claro.
It's like a drink. It's kind of like chicha morena.
¿Limonada?
Chicha morena, similar,
yeah.
pero con choclo blanco.
Ah, yeah.
Perito.
He's cold.
Es invierno, ¿no? Es winter.
Sí. But it's not completely winter yet.
Cerca.
Yeah.
Close.
Look, he's wearing a long sleeve shirt. Bebé. Oh.
Café.
I love that people always smile when they see dogs.
Zanahorias.
Zanahoria.
Papalandia.
That's a good name. No, gracias. Food?
¿Sí?
Okay.
Vamos. Arepa. Es grande. ¿Solo con queso, sí? Riquísimo. ¿Pare?
Look, Lisa Simpson.
¿Qué?
La Lisa Simpson.
Sí.
I love those things that are so.
Nada. Tu proyecto.
Yeah. Terrible project.
Washington University. Health and safety. Gatito. ¿Quieres algo? ¿No?
Super cute.
¿Segura?
You know where to walk.
I'll check maps.
They charge you 10 pennies to wait you.
No quiero. Caramelo camarón, caramelo camarón. Caramelo camarón.
Se lo pones. Sí, la Carla se pondría eso. Gracias.
¿Por qué?